We're gonna call this truck Old Mac.
We're gonna put the slam down on this truck.
So this is what's going in Old Mac, this LS. I'll let y'all know, we're twin turboing Old Mac.
Are you excited?
I am super excited because I'm ready to... Oh, yeah, boy. Oh, yeah, that's way better.
Circle D.
It's the final countdown. That sounds good.
We're gonna take these Slosh Tubz and we're gonna put them in this truck right here.
What we're doing with the exhaust is we're gonna run it out the fuel doors on each side.
Sounds good, looks good. And we're taking Old Mac to Killions to get it Poppy's Patina. It's gonna be totally different than the way it's been looking. And then we've got to go back and put all the trim back on it and get it ready for C10s in the park. That made it right there.
Old Mac is back at the shop. We're starting to get everything put back together on it. There's a whole lot of trim and pieces and parts that need to go on. We're still waiting on a few parts from LMC. Chase is at Killions right now. They're spraying the gold flake on all our underhood parts. I'm here. I need to change the pins and bushings on this door. I went and picked up this door stand from Killions. It's a handy thing when you're trying to do a door by yourself. So I got this stand. It's gonna help me a ton getting the door off. I've already got everything unplugged under the dash, waiting on one set of the pins and bushings to be here at around lunchtime. In the meantime, I'm gonna get it all tore down, and while I'm waiting, I'll start putting weather strip in if it gets to that. We got these mirrors from Auto Metal Direct. I like those guys. We talk to them when we see them at the shows, talk to them on social media. They're so quick with getting you the parts, and they always seem to have what we need when we need it. So thank you, Auto Metal Direct, for the mirrors. They're gonna look really good on this old glossy patina long bed.
Spooky from Jacksonville Auto Glass came yesterday, and they had the wrong rubbers, so we're getting the new rubbers, and we actually decided to go with chrome surround all around the windows, so that'll be here today. We got some Slosh Tubz we just picked up from Killions. They look amazing. Jimmy knocked it out of the park with those.
I got the side panels installed, and we're gonna raptor line the underside of the Slosh Tubz.
Yep.
Before we install those. Then we have a few knick-knack things left to put on. Other than that, we're waiting on things.
You can put this on.
If you want. That's the saddest part of all this.
What?
These doors shut so good right now. They shut so good.
Well, they do shut really nice. We put this weather stripping on here, we'll be...
I mean,
we'll
that is so nice.
That's for another day.
I mean, they're not rattling.
That's for another day, buddy.
Yeah, I agree. Go team.
Yeah. Oh, Russell, what are you doing now?
Trying to get the trim straight.
Got
We got a
everything?
laser set up. I'm not really a laser setter-upper, but it works on every truck we've done so far. So we're gonna take us some of this trim and see what it looks like.
Cool.
Make sure it's gonna cover up the two-tone.
I think it will. I think it will.
You like that?
Yeah, I don't like that.
Let's don't pat each other on the back just yet. We still got some stuff to put on. Chase did it. We got a flat blowout on the trailer. I hope we don't have another one.
We're at the Poppy's Patina booth here at Dino's Get Down.